Let's do this question today. Mr. Sim baked some cookies and packed all the cookies in 14 small boxes and 3 large boxes. She filled each small boxes with the same number of cookie and each large box with the same number of cookies. There were 4 more cookies in each large box than in each small box. 7 over 9 of the cookies baked were packed in the small boxes. How many cookies were there in each box? Now, this question is actually not hard. But if you start from the wrong angle, you start from the wrong approach, then you'll be very hard, which I actually found it initially when I did it. First time I did it. So actually, if you had most people would have just start from 14 small boxes and 3 large boxes, and then you 4 more, so you just do. But if you realize that you'll get stuck somehow, the best way actually is to start from the ratio. If they give you the full ratio, 7 over 9 of the cookies, if you start from the ratio, so small to big, 7 over 9 means the ratio will be 7 is to 2. Put it into unit, easier for us to do later. 7U is to 2 unit. That's the number of cookies, total number of cookies in small and big boxes. Now, we have 14 small boxes and 3 large boxes. If we were to fit this 7U into 14, I will get a fraction. Same thing, if I try to fit this 2U cookie into 3 large, I will also get a fraction. Now, we do not want that. We want to have nice numbers. So we're gonna multiply to make the number nicer. So I'm just going to multiply by 3. Yes, so 6 unit I can fit to 3 large boxes. Very nice. But 21 unit cannot fit into 14 small boxes. Oh, by the way, I better write. I multiply by 3 here. I also multiply by 3 here. So ratio, make sure you do the same thing on both sides so that the ratio remain the same. But 14 small boxes cannot fit 21 unit without sacrificing your whole number. So how? Multiply by 2. Why 2? Because multiply by 2, I will get 42. 42 is, if you divide by 14, you actually get 3. And that is a whole number. That's good enough. Don't try to make a number too big, then you will have a headache later on. So both sides also multiply by 2. You're going to have this 42 unit is to 12 unit. So you have your ratio ready, you are ready. So now let's calculate how many unit of cookie we have in each box. So we take 42 unit divided by 14. We have 3 unit in the small box. And we have 12U might divide by 3. We have 4 unit in each large box. Now, in the question, it was actually told to us that there are 4 more cookies in each large box than in each small box. So 4U minus 3U would give me 4 cookies. And what does the question want? They say how many cookies were there in each small box. And we have already done here, each small box contains 3 unit of cookie. So let's find what is 3 unit. Find 1 unit is 4 cookies. So 3 unit is 4 times 3, 12 cookie. So if you notice, the steps are actually quite easy. But if you go from the wrong approach, it's quite tough.